Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Cash App. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Cash App application on your device and you will be asked to enter your phone number or email address right away. If you don't already have an account, you can directly enter your phone number or your email address to sign up. If you wish to use your email, tap on the Use Email option and now you will be allowed to enter your email address. Just type in your email address or your phone number and tap on the next button and you will be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to the email address or phone number that you just entered. Just check your inbox and you will find this verification code. Type in this code and tap on the next button and you will be allowed to enter your personal information, and you will also see the option to add your bank account information. You can choose to add your information or skip this, and once you complete this step, you will officially be signed up to your new account on Cash App. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the Cash App application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.